Familiar signs can be the easiest to miss, especially when you're not paying full attention. Welcome to part 3 of our commonly known UK road signs series. In this episode, we're challenging you with more signs that drivers often overlook, misread, or rush past. These are the quiet rules of the road that speak volumes when you know what to look for. Think you've got a sharp eye? Let's find out. Question 1. What type of vehicle is prohibited by this sign? A. Buses prohibited. B. No coaches. C. No commercial vehicles. The answer is A. Buses prohibited. Question 2. What kind of signals are ahead? A. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. B. Railway signals ahead. C. Temporary traffic lights. The answer is A. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. Question 3. What road hazard is this sign warning about? A. Hump bridge. B. Uneven surface. C. Risk of grounding at level crossing ahead. The answer is C. Risk of grounding at level crossing ahead. Question 4. What is indicated about overhead hazards here? A. Low-hanging cables. B. Overhead electrical wires. C. Power lines above. The answer is B. Overhead electrical wires. Question 5. What level crossing detail is provided by this sign? A. More details. Level crossing without gate ahead. B. Tramway crossing. C. Train station. The answer is A. More details. Level crossing without gate ahead. Question 6. What turning restriction does this sign enforce? A. No U-turn. B. No left turn for vehicular traffic. C. Left turn only. The answer is B. No left turn for vehicular traffic. Question 7. What height restriction does this sign indicate? A. Low bridge ahead. B. Tunnel height limit. C. Height restriction. The answer is C. Height restriction. Question 8. What zone regulation ends here? A. End of parking restriction. B. Parking zone begins. C. End of controlled zone. The answer is C. End of controlled zone. Question 9. What kind of marker is this at a level crossing? A. 200 yards to crossing. B. 2 stripes board. C. Countdown marker to level crossing. 2. The answer is C. Countdown marker to level crossing 2. Question 10. What parking zone does this sign indicate? A. Controlled parking zone. B. Paid parking zone. C. Short-term parking zone. The answer is A. Controlled parking zone. Question 11. Where is this particular road sign commonly installed? A. Tourist route marker. B. Road sign that is most commonly installed in the Virgin Islands. C. Heritage site direction. The answer is B. Road sign that is most commonly installed in the Virgin Islands. Question 12. What maneuver is prohibited here? A. No U-turns for vehicular traffic. B. No right turn. C. Roundabout ahead. The answer is A. No U-turns for vehicular traffic. Question 13. What action is required regarding children at this sign? A. School zone. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. Stop. Children crossing ahead. The answer is C. Stop. Children crossing ahead. Question 14. What speed limit is being enforced? A. Minimum speed 20 miles per hour. B. Begin 20 mile per hour zone. C. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. The answer is C. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. Question 15. What must drivers do before crossing according to this sign? A. Stop before crossing, police ahead. B. Yield ahead. C. Traffic control zone. The answer is A. Stop before crossing, police ahead. Question 16. What facility does this sign direct drivers to? A. Emergency phone sign. B. Direction to telephone at level crossing. C. Call box ahead. The answer is B. Direction to telephone at level crossing. Question 17. What parking restriction is enforced? A. No parking. B. Loading only zone. C. No waiting. The answer is C. No waiting. Question 18. Which turn must be made here? A. Turn left ahead. B. Left turn only. C. No right turn. The answer is A. Turn left ahead. Question 19. What does this speed camera sign remind drivers about? A. Speed camera ahead with reminder of 30 miles per hour speed limit. B. Speed radar. Ahead. C. Speed enforcement zone. The answer is A. Speed camera ahead with reminder of 30 miles per hour speed limit. Question 20. What maximum speed is indicated here? A. Maximum speed 60 miles per hour. B. Begin 60 mile per hour zone. C. 50 miles per hour zone. Ahead. The answer is A. Maximum speed 60 miles per hour. Question 21. What overhead hazard is indicated? A. Overhead wires. B. Electrified overhead cable ahead. C. Tram overhead lines. The answer is B. Electrified overhead cable ahead. Question 22. What speed zone is ending here? A. Begin 30 mile per hour zone. B. End of 20 mile per hour zone. C. National speed limit applies. The answer is B. end of 20-mile-per-hour zone. Question 23. What type of level crossing is approaching? A. Railway crossing with barriers. B. Tramway crossing. C. Level crossing with gate ahead. The answer is C. Level crossing with gate ahead. Question 24. What speed regulation begins here? A. National speed limit applies. B. End of speed restriction. C. Minimum speed limit ends. The answer is A. National speed limit applies. Question 25. What kind of traffic flow is indicated? A. No entry. B. One-way traffic. C. Right lane only. The answer is B. One-way traffic. Question 26. What overhead restriction is shown? A. Warning of maximum headroom of arch bridge directly ahead. B. Low tunnel clearance. C. Road narrows. The answer is A. Warning of maximum headroom of arch bridge directly ahead. Question 27. What clearance is being warned about? A. Height restriction ahead. B. Clearance warning sign. C. Low bridge warning. The answer is B. Clearance warning sign. Question 28. What type of roundabout is indicated here? A. Painted roundabout. B. Mini roundabout. C. Single lane roundabout. The answer is B. Mini roundabout. Question 29. What minimum speed is required here? A. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. B. Minimum speed 20 miles per hour. C. Minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. The answer is C. Minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. Question 30. Which turn is prohibited? A. No U-turn. B. No left turn. C. No right turn for vehicular traffic. The answer is C. No right turn for vehicular traffic. Question 31. What kind of crossing is this sign marking? A. Crossbuck. B. Uncontrolled train crossing. C. Tramway. Warning. The answer is A. Crossbuck. Question 32. What speed regulation applies here? A. Begin 20-mile-per-hour zone. B. 20 miles per hour. Speed camera ahead. C. Entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour. The answer is C. Entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour. Question 33. What side must traffic pass? A. Left lane must turn. B. Keep left. C. Pass either side. The answer is B. Keep left. Question 34. What movement must traffic make? A. No right turn. B. One-way left. C. Vehicular traffic must turn left. The answer is C. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Question 35. What facility does this sign indicate? A. Telephone at level crossing. B. Help phone. C. Emergency call point. The answer is A. Telephone at level crossing. Question 36. What marker is used here? A. Countdown marker to level crossing. 3. B. Train crossing in 300 yards. C. 3 stripes signal board. The answer is A. Countdown marker to level crossing. 3. Question 37. What speed restriction is ending here? A. Begin 50 mph zone. B. End of speed restriction. C. End of 30 mph. The answer is C. End of 30 mph. Question 38. What parking restriction applies here? A. No waiting. B. No stopping. C. No parking. The answer is B. No stopping. Question 39. What component is this sign associated with? A. Gate position indicator. B. Target for crossing gate. C. Gate arm warning. The answer is B. Target for crossing gate. Question 40. What type of camera is this sign warning about? A. Speed enforcement area. B. Speed camera. C. Speed checkpoint. The answer is B. Speed camera. Count your correct answers and share your score in the comments. Great work making it through part 3. Those signs may be common, but they're key to safe driving. Reviewing the basics keeps your instincts strong, and that's what separates good drivers from great ones. If you enjoyed the challenge, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Stay alert out there, and we'll see you in the next round.